I can still, if I'm still playing, because it's oh! No! 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 Yo! 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 Yes! Yes! Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Gareth fucking Bale! Oh! Hell yeah! Oh my God!
Sorry if I sound like a. Hey, what's up, Lisa? How are you doing? Inform in the next. Oh! Oh my God! Oh my fucking God! I have never packed Messi in a FIFA! I have never packed Messi in a FIFA! Holy fucking shit! Holy fucking shit! Oh my God, squirrel! Oh shit! I have never packed Messi in any FIFA ever! What the absolute fuck just happened? I wanted to get Ronaldo, but I got the other. I got Messi. Holy shit!
Come on, Messi. It's on you, please. I'm almost spending more than 500k and I haven't got nobody good. Please, man. It's on you. Oh my fucking... I don't believe it! I don't freaking believe it! I got Ronaldo and Hazard! I'm not shitting you! Oh my God! One freaking back! Believe on that shit! Yes! Who else do I have here? I lost my voice! Yeah, I don't give a crap about the neighbors. They can call the police. They can do whatever the fuck they want. I picked Ronaldo and Hazard. Greatest back ever!
Come on, man. Right here, duplicate Bale. Oh, shit! No! Ronaldo! We got fucking Ronaldo! Oh, my fucking God.
Nah, this shit's fake. EA, you're trolling me. Oh my fucking.
You got fucking Ronaldo. Wake up, Yaya. Wake up, mate. Wake the fuck up.
Mama said, mijo, be whatever you want to be. Man became Superman. The man became Superman. I'm alright. Shh. That's for Ronaldo.
There we go.
First, let
No,
me
no. Yeah. Oh my God! You like that? You just done. Do you know what you've just done? Team of the week, Ronaldo. Team of the week, no. Even I don't. No way. Yep, I knew I was gonna get it. Oh my God! I can't believe it. Okay. I actually can't believe it. Okay, what does that mean now? He's the best player in the team of the week. You don't understand how amazing this is. Like, you don't understand. Yeah, but that's only one player.
What the hell did you just say?
No, I don't know what this means. We're rich, basically. He's worth like 5 to 10 million coins or something. Okay. No, send him the club, please. What? Send him to the club. Press X. Press X. Send him to the club. Oh my God.